Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably tired of seeing the same old matches on Tinder and want a fresh start. Today, we're diving into how to reset Tinder matches in 2025 feet, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Whether you're dealing with ghosted conversations or just want to revamp your profile, resetting can give you that clean slate you need. Let's jump right in. First things first, why reset your matches? In 2025, Tinder's algorithm is smarter than ever, but sometimes it gets stuck in a rut. Resetting helps you avoid algorithm penalties and rediscover new potential connections. But remember, this isn't about cheating the system, it's about optimizing your experience. Step 1. Open the Tinder app and head to your profile. Tap on the settings icon, usually in the top right corner. Scroll down to Account Settings and look for the Delete Account option. Don't worry, we're not deleting forever. This is just a reset hack. Before you do this, make sure to screenshot any important chats or info, as they'll be gone. Step 2. Confirm the deletion. Tinder might ask why you're leaving, so select something generic like, I want a break. Once deleted, wait about 24 hours. This gives the app time to fully wipe your data. Now, for the fun part. Reinstall Tinder from your app store. When you sign back in with the same phone number or Facebook, you'll start fresh. Pro tip for 2025. If you have Tinder Gold or Platinum, check for the new Profile Refresh feature in settings. It could reset matches without full deletion. Be cautious though. Resetting too often might flag your account, so use this sparingly. Also, remember that your new profile might take a bit to gain traction with the algorithm. There you have it. A simple guide to resetting your Tinder matches in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more dating tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy swiping.